Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, where we talk all things hair, beauty, and confidence. Today, I am so excited to share something that will completely transform your everyday look: braided hairstyles. Whether you're heading to work, school, or a casual outing, the right braid can elevate your style and make you feel unstoppable. And don't worry if you think braiding is complicated. I'm here to show you how easy and versatile it can be. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing hair tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Braids are one of the most timeless and versatile hairstyles out there. They are not only stunning but also practical. They keep your hair secure, prevent tangling, and can even be a protective style for those of us who want to give our hair a break from heat and chemicals. But what makes braids so amazing is how they can instantly upgrade any look. Imagine turning a plain ponytail into a sleek braided masterpiece, or taking your loose waves to the next level with a gorgeous crown braid. The possibilities are endless. And let me tell you, braids aren't just about style. They are also a great way to express your personality. From soft and romantic vibes to bold and edgy looks, there's a braid for every mood and every occasion. You don't have to be a pro to create beautiful braided hairstyles either. Start simple, and as you gain confidence, experiment with more intricate designs. Remember, practice makes perfect, and even a little effort can lead to stunning results. Another thing I love about braids is how versatile they are across all hair types and lengths. Whether you've got long, flowing locks or a chic bob, there's always a braided style that works for you. And don't even get me started on how amazing braids look with accessories. A few decorative pins, beads, or ribbons can take your braid from simple to show-stopping in seconds. Now, here's a tip. If you're someone who struggles with braids slipping or falling apart, try prepping your hair with a little texturizing spray or dry shampoo. It gives your hair grip and makes it so much easier to work with. Trust me, this small step makes a big difference. Braids aren't just for special occasions. They can add a touch of elegance to your everyday look without taking up a ton of time. Whether it's a simple braid down the back, a playful side braid, or a chic braided bun, these styles are perfect for elevating your confidence and style. And the best part? They never go out of fashion. Alright, my lovely friends, that's all for today. I hope you're feeling inspired to try some braided hairstyles and take your everyday look to the next level. Remember, it's not just about how you look, it's about how you feel. And when you feel amazing, it shows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little hair inspiration. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips, tutorials, and ideas. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I can't wait to see you rocking those gorgeous braids. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay confident, and keep shining. Bye.